Go, empat. Break pula. Empat ni. Takkan. Okay.
Ikri.
Pastikan dia nanti jangan dia di kanan tu. Kita yang kita ini. Kan. Ini kena buka. Kena yang sampai ke ni. Bawah down. Sampai sikit. Jangan main dulu. Habiskan dia dulu. Alright. Yo, aku dekat dia. Saya tak boleh. Baca ada dapat. Okey, breakfast. Pastikan dia settle. Sudah tengok. Okey, kan. Tengah habis. Okey, wait. Okey. Saya dah tahu. Pasal ni efek ni. Dia start. Buat. Sampai tau. Saya efek. Okey, dah habis. Sampai.
Belakang wireless.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is HAKIM dan SAHIBI, and today our group will present lab report 5 for side slip test, measuring the car weight, adherence, and brake test. For this lab, we use 2 cars for comparison. This is the result for potong wajah. The brake test includes left hand on LH, which is referring to the left side of the car, right hand, which is referring to the left side of the car, and limits. In this lab result, we have 3 results, which is weight, brake force, which both in Newton, and the percentage of the brake difference between left side and the right side. So let's start with the weight of the car first. For the front side of the car, we get 3,710 Newton. for the left side and 4060 Newton for the right side. As for the brake force that we get for the left side is 2040 Newton and 2210 Newton for the right side. For the percentage of brake difference between the left side and the right side is about 13%, and the limit for the difference is 30%. For the rear side of the car, the weight of the car for the left side is 2490 Newton and 2960 for the right side. As for the brake force of the rear brakes, we don't get any result as the rear brakes doesn't grip. For the parking test, for the parking brake test, we can see that the brake force are 2370 Newton for the left side and 2750 Newton for the right side. The brake difference is around 15%. The next car that we use is the Nazaria. For the weight of the front side of the car, we get 5420 Newton for the left side and 6300 for the right side. As for the brake force, we get 3940 Newton for the left side and 4040 Newton for the right side. The brake difference is around 2%. For the rear side of the car, we get 4490 Newton for the left side weight of the car and 4730 Newton for the right side. Unfortunately, we get the same result as the Proton Wajah for the brake force because the rear brake doesn't grip. For the parking brake test, we get 3020 Newton for the left side and 170 for the right side. The difference between the two sides are very huge. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nur HAFIZUDDIN bin ABDUL HAYAR, and now we move to the discussion of this lab. Number 1. Based on the inspection and observation, why are the brake force left hand and right hand must have a difference of less than 30%? Discuss based on Malaysia Puspakam regulations. My answer, according to Malaysia Puspakam standards, the brake force for the left hand, also known LH, and right hand, also known RH, wheels must differ by less than 30% based on the inspection and observation. This prerequisite guarantees the safe and efficient operation of the braking system. The car can stop in a straight line without pulling to one side when both sides apply almost identical braking effort. If the difference exceeds 30%, it indicates an imbalance that can cause the vehicle to swerve during braking, reducing stability and increasing the risk of accidents. This imbalance is often caused by uneven brake pad wear, malfunctioning brake calipers, or hydraulic system faults. Therefore, maintaining less than 30% difference ensures proper braking performance, driver safety, and compliance with Malaysia's vehicle inspection standards by the Puspakam. And now we move to second question. What would happen if adherence difference more than 10%? The answer is The tires have uneven traction or grip on the road surface if the adherence difference is greater than 10%, particularly on slick roads or during abrupt stops. This condition may result in instability and uneven braking when one side of the vehicle has less adherence. It may skid or lose control more easily, resulting in longer stopping distance and potential accidents. According to Malaysia Puspacom regulations, the adherence difference should not exceed 10% to ensure balanced traction between all wheels. A higher difference may be caused by uneven tire pressure, worn out tires, or improper wheel alignment. Maintaining adherence within the 10% limit helps ensure stable braking performance, better handling, and improve overall vehicle safety. That's all from me.
So hi sir, I'm HIRTIKRAJ. So for the third discussion is discuss brake force result based on roller testing results. Based on the roller testing result, the brake force of each wheel can be measured accurately to determine the overall braking performance of the vehicle. The test shows whether the braking force is balanced between left hand and right hand wheels and helps identify any fault in the braking system. If the results show that the braking force are nearly equal and within the acceptable limit, less than 30% difference, it indicates that the braking system is functioning properly and safely. However, if there is a large difference between the two sides, it may suggest issues such as uneven brake pads wear, hydraulic pressure imbalance, or a faulty brake component. The roller test also help verify that the brake meets Malaysia Puspacom standards, ensuring the vehicle is roadworthy and safe for operation. So for the conclusion, the side slip endurance and brake tests were successfully carried out in this lab session to assess the effectiveness and security of the car's braking system. The finding demonstrated that in order to provide balanced braking, vehicle stability and compliance with Malaysian Puspacom rules, a brake force difference of less than 30% and endurance with difference of less than 10% must be maintained. Accurate measurements for every wheel were produced by the roller brake tester, which made it possible to diagnose any imbalance or safety malfunction. All things considered, this experiment contribute to be a better understanding of how tire endurance and braking force distribution impact vehicle control and safety. In order to guarantee that the braking system function properly in all driving situations, it also underlined the significance of routine examination and maintain. Thank you so much.